Still awake? Good. Let's complete the square until your brain quietly gives up. This is not a motivational speech. This is not a calming beach visualization. Tonight, we are taking a quadratic function and slowly forcing it into vertex form. Welcome to Sleepy Classroom Boring Lessons for Busy Brains. Tonight's problem is E, Hey, S, A, Tor, Toms, Pry. We are going to rewrite this in vertex form. Vertex form looks like this. E, A, C, H, A, quadri plus K, where the vertex is H, K. If that already made your brain slower, good. The lesson is working. We start with E, Hai, Se, Thams, Ba. First, look at the x squared term and the x term. Dos Reis a quadro which. They both have a factor of 2. So we factor out the 2. That gives us E, Hai, X, Quor, born, plus Ba. Now we focus only on what is inside the parentheses. X, al, quada, quadix. To complete the square, we take the coefficient of x. That coefficient is -4. Now take half of -4. Half of -4 is -2. Now square -2. -2 squared is 6. So we need to add 4. But math has boundaries. We cannot just add 4 and walk away like nothing happened. So we add 4 and subtract 4 inside the parentheses. Now we write E, Hai, X, hour, born, 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 Ba. If you are still awake, congratulations. We have successfully added 0 in the most complicated possible way. Now the first 3 terms, x a quadr, quadrs plus quadr, can be written as x dos ao quadrado. So now the expression becomes I, Hai, X, Hai, all, born, Ba. Now we distribute the 2. So, dos timas, che, dos al quadrado stays as dos che, dos al quadrado, and 2 times -4 becomes -8. So now E, Hai 6, Hai 4, Tom plus Ba. Now combine the constants. -8 plus 3 equals -5. So the final answer is E, Hai 6, Hai 4, num. This is vertex form. The vertex is 2, -5. So the lowest point of this parabola is R, Fu, and honestly, that might also be the current energy level of your brain. Let's repeat the whole process very slowly. We started with y has 2 times 2 bath. We factored out the 2. E, Hai, X square, born, sh, ba. We completed the square. Ve, Hai, X square, borns, born, ba. We rewrote the square. I, Hai, X, Hai, all, born, ba. We distributed. I, Hai, 6, Hai, all, time, 6, ba. And we simplified. A, Hai, C, Hai, algri, num. Final answer. Way, Hai 6, Hai 4, num. The vertex is R, Fu. A chaotic quadratic has now become a calm little bowl with a clearly defined bottom. If you are still awake, I respect your commitment to algebra. Save this for the next time insomnia gets too confident. And if you want something made for your own kind of tired, visit the night shelf and create your custom sleepy plan, a note, a voice, or a soft night tool made for your actual mood. Comment where you started feeling sleepy, factoring, adding 4,